Happy morning, students. Today we are going to see the evaluation and book exercises in the lesson States of Matter. Science, Class 3, Unit 2. True or false? First one, solids have a definite volume. True. Second one, liquids cannot flow. False. Third one, we can melt any substance by cooling it. False. Fourth one, liquids can take the shape of the container. True. Fifth one, gases have a definite shape or volume. False. Sixth one, matter changes its state when heat is added or removed. True. Seventh one, a fuel is a substance which gives heat energy on burning. True. Fill in the blanks. First one, the measure of matter in an object is called mass. Change of liquid into vapor on heating is called evaporation. Third, an example for liquid is water. Fourth one, the change of liquid into solid on cooling is known as freezing. Fifth one, an example for solid is stone. Match the objects and their state of matter. Volcano, gas. Coal, solid. Oil, liquid. Water, liquid. Smoke, gas. Apple, solid. Answer in a word or two. First one, which of these is a solid? Wood or juice? Answer, wood. Second one, which of these is hard? A sponge or a glass or a cloth? A glass. Third one, what are three states of matter? Answer, solid, liquid, gas. Fourth one, name three substances which can change to liquid when they are heated. Answer, ice, cheese, jaggery. Fifth one, in which state of matter the particles are very close to each other? Answer, solid state. Sixth one, what state of matter is rain? Answer, liquid state. Seventh one, which among the state of matter has definite size but no definite shape? Answer, liquid state. Eighth one, what would cause a liquid to turn into a solid? Answer, C. Cooling it until it freezes. Ninth one, what are some properties of pencil? Answer, pencil is rigid. It has definite shape and volume. It occupies a fixed space. Next, find me. First one, I am a 5-letter word. I am an essential for your life. I remain in all the three states of matter. Who am I? Answer, I am water. Second one, I am a solid. I am obtained from the trees. I am useful for heating. Who am I? Answer: I am wood. Third one: I am one among the three states. I have loosely arranged particles. I become vapor on heating. Who am I? I am liquid. Describe the word in one sentence. Solid. Solids are things that have definite shape and volume. Liquid. Liquids are things that do not have a definite shape but occupy space. Third, melting. Change of solid into liquid on heating is called melting. Evaporation. Change of liquid into vapor on heating is called evaporation. Freezing. Change of liquid into solid on cooling is known as freezing. An ice cube turning to water. Melting. B. Water turning to ice in a freezer. Freezing. C. Change of liquid into vapor on heating. Evaporation. D. A bathroom mirror misting up. Condensation. List out the sum of the matter around you. First table, second chair, third tree, fourth cloud. Think zone. What is the shape of water in your bottle? The water takes the shape of my water bottle. Second one. What happens if you pour water on the floor or table? Answer: the water flows. Cooking gas in gas cylinder has a smell. Why?
Because ethyl mercaptan is added with LPG to find the leakage. This is very easy one, children. Say whether it is solid or liquid or gas. Put S for solid, L for liquid and G for gas. Check your answer here. Properties of solids: fixed shape, fixed volume, rigid. Properties of liquids: no fixed shape, fixed volume, flow all sides. Properties of gases: no fixed shape, no fixed volume, flow all sides. Let us do. Answer: first one, ice cubes melt. Second one, cheese melts. Third one, jaggery melts. Check your answer. Complete the table. Liquid, evaporation, condensation, water, solid. Think and answer. Which can was taken from the fridge? Can A. B. How do you know? Water droplets appear on the can A. C. How did water droplets appear on the can A? Answer: because of condensation. D. Why are there no water droplets on can B? Answer: can B is not kept in the fridge. Let us understand. First one answer no. Second one answer yes, the water flows. It flows in all directions. Third one answer yes. Fourth one answer water overflows. Paper burns, wood burns, leaves burns. Match the following. Liquid fuel அகல் விளக்கு, gas fuel gas stove, solid fuel மண் அடுப்பு.